Today we're making something just for you, Yorkshire puddings. Somewhat of an obscure invention, yet delicious beyond belief. And so easy to make, you can practically do it with your eyes closed. We start with 250 grams or 1 cup of cow's milk, mother's milk or chicken's milk to make it vegan. Into the milk goes 5 large eggs, followed by 150 grams or 1 cup of flour. And finally 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend it or whisk it until you have a viscous but not too thick batter, much like a crepe batter, nice and smooth for best results. Set aside and whack the oven up to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a muffin tin, then place a nice big dollop, otherwise known as a knob, of duck fat into each muffin hole. You can also use beef tallow, lard or cooking oil. I like adding a touch of olive oil or extra virgin rapeseed oil. Heat that up in the oven for 20 minutes until piping hot. This is mega important, otherwise it'll end in failure. Pour the Yorkie batter into the oil, right into the center, nice and steady. It should bubble and sizzle as a nod of approval. Bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and turn the tray halfway through cooking. They should be fully golden brown and crispy. If they need a touch longer, then simply bake a few more minutes until they're done. Serve them warm with your favorite roast or a celebratory turkey. I take great joy myself in stuffing these with meat, onion gravy and crispy roast potatoes. Onion gravy coming next week for your easy enjoyment. And the roast potatoes a sight to behold. Most importantly though, go live a happy life.